Hey guys, it's Petra here from BigIncomeParadise.com, and in this video I will talk about Udimi.com, where you can actually buy traffic. Now again, don't be scared to invest some money into the traffic, okay? So this is where you can generate leads. Now before I start, I have to tell you that there's a link below this video that you can click on and you're gonna get to this site. Sign in. The sign up is free, but if you want to get traffic, you will have to pay for it, okay? Now before I start to, with the settings and stuff like that, I have to tell you that you are actually buying clicks. So that means those are not leads. Let's say you buy 100 clicks from this person, and a lead is when they actually put their name and email in. A click is just a click to your website. Okay, so from 100 clicks, you would, let's say, get 35 leads. It depends again on your landing page. If your landing page sucks, I'm sorry, but you're not gonna get a lot of opt-ins. Okay, you're not gonna get a lot of leads. So now we should start with the settings here. Just set it up like this, okay? If you want to pay less for traffic, you can set this up, but I usually put it on 95 cents because I would rather pay more for quality than less for quantity, okay? So always focus on quality. So here you can set up 50% of sales, but as you can see, you only have 2 people who are selling traffic, and they have more than 50% of sales, so ratings. Okay, so if you want to test from more sellers, you can go down to 40%, and there you have 4 people, or 30%, and you have even more. But okay, let's say you want to get, of course, best of the best, right? You check it out. This person has a lot of reviews, 888, but 2 bad reviews, which is not bad at all. He has a rating of 56% of sales, 69 cents per click, okay? Now this person has 724 good reviews, 58%, and 67 cents per click. Okay, so let's say you decide to buy from him, but before you do, read what he or she, in this case he, has to say here. Okay, just read it, go down, check out how many visitors you can get. So the first time, if this is your first time buying from him, you should invest into 100 or up to 200 visitors, not more. Because if you can see 200 visitors, it's $137. So if you would decide to buy first time 500 visitors, you would pay over $300, and maybe because of your landing page, or because this person doesn't have a audience for your product or service, you would just waste over $300. That's why you should always test 100, maybe 150, up to 200 visitors, not more. And if you have great results, you can test it again up to 200 visitors. If you again get great results, then you can start, you can get up to 1,000 visitors for over $600, okay? So let's just put it back. You can scroll down in just a second. My mouse is not working. Okay, so here you should check out the top tier countries. So he has 100% top tier countries, which means people, the traffic, so the audience that he has is from these countries. Okay, make sure that this is 90% and up. If it's 89%, it's still good. but don't pay for traffic that has, I don't know, 60% top tier countries. Okay, because people are, if they're from India or any third world countries, they usually don't buy anything. So you get traffic, but you know, it's, you want sales, right? So the next thing that you should check is the reviews. So these are people who bought traffic from this guy, okay? Now what I usually check is the sales, okay? So this person got sales, but they didn't say how many sales, nothing, right? So I don't count that. I want people to write, I got 3 sales or whatever. Okay, so this person had a 20% opt-in rate, no sales. Then this person, he said, okay, I got a sale, so that's 1. Then let's go down. It has to have 3 people. So this person said he got 2 sales, few trials. So probably sales, but I want to, okay, this person said no sales, horrible. See, that's why you should not go overboard with buying traffic the first time, because you never know if it works or not. So, okay, 2 sales. Okay, 3 people said they got sales. That's great. I would, before you buy, you go through all of this, okay, through all of his site, and before you buy, you should message this person. So let's say you message them, what is your business all about? You show them your landing page. Maybe, you know, not all of the people will help you. Probably not all of the, excuse me, I don't know what's wrong with my computer today, but not all of the sellers will help you, okay? But probably most of them will. So ask them questions like, what kind of traffic do you provide? If you're, I don't know, in specific, let's say you're in It Works or you're in Herbalife or whatever, ask this person or whoever you're buying traffic from, ask them if they have traffic for that specific company that you're in, if anyone from that company bought traffic, and what did they had results. Just make sure to message them first, talk with them, and if you get comfortable, you know, with the, if this person tells you, yes, from that company they bought traffic from me and they received leads and sales, if you get comfortable with that, okay, buy. But if you're like, I don't know, I don't feel like this person's, you know, telling me the truth, then find another seller. But, you know, this person, Brandon, is really, really great, as you can see from all of the reviews and everything. So this is how you use this site. Obviously, you have to pay for traffic here, but it's, in this case, you spend less time, okay, and more money, obviously. But if you don't want to invest money into traffic, then just be prepared to invest a lot of time, a lot more time than with paid traffic, okay? So thank you for watching this video, and if you have any questions, contact me and I will help you. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.